Welcome to the Resistance.
But we're married.
You know, actually not a bad idea.
How cool was that, eh? Well, that was all done by AI. How cool would it be if you could revisit old movies and enhance them with AI? Well, you are in luck because, hey there. And how are you doing? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can AI enhance any movies you want to. So are you excited? Well, let's dive right in. Okay, for this video, I decided to AI enhance the Shrek movie. And it is best to find the movie in 4K quality and download it to your computer. I am using the 4K video downloader to download this video right here of Shrek in 4K. But you can obviously download it with any other video downloader out there. Okay, now open up CapCut or any other video editing software and drop the movie into the playlist. Now we are going to download frames of the movie we want to AI enhance. So just find a perfect scene and then click here and press Export Still Frames. And now export it to any destination you'd like. And guys, in hindsight, it is a good tip to make a cut everywhere you exported a frame from. This will greatly benefit you when editing the video in post. I will export like 7 frames now. Now next we are going to AI enhance these frames. We are going to use Midjourney. Midjourney now has a new feature where you can retexture any image. What does this mean? Well, the retexture function of Midjourney allows you to give the image you provided a different look, but the object and the main content of the image stays the same. Well, let me show it to you. So here in Midjourney, go to Create, Edit, and now choose Retexture. Now upload on of the frames right here. And now we need to enter a prompt. And first I tried some prompt form ChatGPT, but that didn't work out. So luckily I found this video from the guy called Theoretically Media. And no worries, I will also put this prompt in the video description. But the prompt basically starts with stating that it is a cinematic still from the movie Shrek, and then you need to describe the image and what happens. Next up there comes this camera text and the stylize 200. And then press Submit Retexture. The generation now takes less than a minute. Here are the results. Nice, but let's generate some more. Here in the left you can download the image you've selected. Now do this for all the rest of the frames. Sometimes you might up getting this error, but no worries, simply regenerate it. Even if it fails after that, it will eventually work. After you've retextured all the frames, it is time we are going to bring them to life using an AI video generator. And I've made a video about the best free-to-use AI video generators, so be sure to check that one out. But yeah, for this video, we are going to use Halo AI. Simply sign up with your Google account and you get free credits. Now go to Image to Video and upload the retextured frame here. Now you can write a prompt, like what you want to see, but you can also leave it blank. Let's write for this one. Camera zoom in as Shrek is talking. Yeah, the downside of using Halo AI for free is that you need to wait like really long before your video is finished, and you can only queue 3 videos in the free plan. So guys, I am going to cheat and use my other Google accounts to generate the AI videos from the frames there. And you know what? I will go to sleep and let's watch tomorrow if our videos are ready. Oh nice, look at that. There are our videos. Let's watch them and download them. Okay, they look really amazing. Now we are going to open the same CapCut project where we exported the frames from. And do you guys remember I told you to cut the video everywhere you download a frame? Well, since I have forgotten that in the first place, I will do it right now. We are going to put the AI videos everywhere where the original video of the movies stops, if you know what I mean. And we are also going to match the original audio with the AI video. Additionally, I am also going to add some transition effects. This might be a bit boring process for some of you, but I hope a lot of you find this editing process helpful. Somehow it took me 30 minutes. The upside of Generation AI videos from movie frames is that movie frames have these thick black borders, so this is very helpful to easily delete the watermark. Simply create a compound clip of all the clips, and then go to Mask and choose the rectangle. Now you can easily remove the watermark like this. When you are done, export it in 4K. Before I am going to show you the end result, let me do the outro. And that's it. Now it's up to you. I enhance any movies you want to. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss another Mr. Lemon video. See you in the next video. Bye! Here is the end result.
Donkey! Don't eat that! There's a stack of freshly made waffles in the middle of the forest. Don't you find that a wee bit suspicious? Oh, you're gonna... What are you... Fine, Donkey. Listen. I said don't.
Welcome to the Resistance.
Resistance?
We fight for freedom. And ogres everywhere!
I know you don't remember me, but we're married. Hear me out. And at the birthday party with some pigs and a puppy...
You know, actually not a bad idea.
Baba!
I need a bounty hunter.
Go and finish your little speech.
All right. As I was saying, when the smoke clears, Rumpelstiltskin is gone.
Where's your belt? Your wee little boots.
Boots! For a cat!
But your puss in.